This was only the beginning. A new series, a new challenge, and next episode I'm going deeper, stronger, crazier. Oh, now I'm Cook.
Wait a minute. This is crazy. Dami na ng kon ah. Dami na nagbago.
Oh, pati siya, wala na. Ay, ano pala, nag-stop pala. Oo nga, dami.
Langan.
Dami pala. My bad. Kala ka siya. Slash TPA here, Arumi, pro play.
Slash, ay, wait a minute. Slash TPAC.
Wala pa. Baka mali yan, boy. Wala. Kill. Ay, oh.
Gagi, kopal ka. Tik na ako. Wala pang kon, water bucket.
Ikaw na mag-build up.
Ano ko? Ayoko.
Wala, pa dito. Doon pala ako sa spawn.
Ba't ka kasi dito?
Ay, wait lang.
Dito ba tayo mag-base?
Hindi, di base. Ikaw lang mag-build ka ng farm. Yung farm na... Wait lang. Kuha muna ako na...
Crazy.
Heal ko armor ko. Wala pala nakasi armor.
Lokal. Wala pa ako armor. Magmamine sana ako.
Sana mag-mine. Baka tayo ng oras.
For the content.
Grabe kasi
What are you doing?
Heal armor ko.
Ba't nakigera? Nakigera ka?
Ha?
Nakigera ka?
Wala mo.
Sino kalaban mo?
Wala, nakagear lang.
Gera!
Wala,
Digir!
sa crates kahapon. Sa crates kahapon.
May kalaban na ba tayo?
Ha?
May kalaban na?
Wala pa.
Ay,
Ako, magpapatay lang ako. Yung helmet.
Crazy. Crazy.
Wala akong XP. Wala rin ako.
The surface is far. We're too deep. On the cave. That's crazy. I'm still digging. Nice. What? Flip?
What ba?
Ocean yung kon. Surface. Lokal.
Mag-ano ka, explore ka pre. Huwag dito kasi malapit lang to sa ano eh. Mag-explore ka para hindi makita yung beast mo. Explore ka lang.
Sa RTP meron?
Get fight.
Is there? Oh yeah. There's
Oh, may RTP pre.
RTP.
Pero malapit. Ano lang pre, yung ang tawag dito. Yung build height pre, ay yung border is 50,000 lang. Very malapit. Hindi ako ng mga cotton.
Nang tae.
At I will kill you.
Na.
That's right.
Meron ka pang kon? You have more sugarcane on your inventory?
Ano, tignan mo lang sa... Ano, may 64 ka dyan.
Yeah, but it's not enough. I need money to build farms.
Wala akong money.
Nah, that's crazy. You have a diamond blue nether helmet. And you don't have money. Crazy.
I die. Please. Sabihin kita.
Nah. I wanna kill you.
Wala, paano na to?
I tried. I tried for this shit.
Dapat pala akong netherite. Ano na na?
Yeah.
Ay, mapaka-RTP na ako.
Pasikat. No, we ain't doing shit. Di man masakit. Di man masakit. Eh, masakit pala. Gagi.
Flashback. Wala ka dyan.
Left still.
Kunin mo heart mo. Wala, bilis. 30 minutes. 30 seconds.
My head is... I'm holding my head. It's crazy.
RTP.
Oh, wala yung shield ko.
Walang hair. Walang...
Protect.
Shop. Kaya yung... How much is Elytra? What the fuck? Really? Flash Balta. Trying to be bitter. 200 million. What the fuck?
It's too expensive. We are broke. We are broke again.
Hindi ako pera yung dati. Escape at
Do you have ally?
nasa ano pa rin ako. Nasa...
Di ba pangit pag-pan? Pag gumawa ako ng farm malapit sa pan and border.
Hindi naman.
Hmm.
Huwag mong masyadong malakihin. Mas maganda pre pag ano pre. Spawners na lang farm natin.
Oh, sige. That's the track in this season.
As I swam through the endless ocean, chasing the horizon, all I wanted was one thing, a safe place to finally call home. I spotted a shipwreck, dove in for the loot, and I got some decent loot. In the distance, I spot it, this massive twist mountain reaching into the sky like it didn't belong, curiously pulled me in. I had to get closer. I planned to climb it, to conquer it, but the moment I set foot near it, something felt wrong.
Hanap ako ng players kasi may slots niya ako, may rank ako legend.
What?
Ako sa page kanina. Ay kahapon.
Congrats.
Ano yan? 24 hours.
Oh no!
Bakit ako?
Muntik na ako namatay. Sa cold damage.
So loud.
So many.
While recovering my loot, I found another shipwreck and inside a strange clock shaped like a heart. I'm selling it in the auction house, totally cursed, but hey, let's see who I can scam.
I sold some clock. Bro, I sold some clock.
Nice.
For 1 million on auction house.
Gag. Pinagaan parang hanap pa rin ako paano magala.
No, ang dami ko yun.
Di na sana eh. Wala akong magagawa.
Yung, malay mo, suspicious too. Putik! Ba't wala pa? By the way, I have a close arm.
As I reached the shore, I felt it. My mission was firmly within reach. I could sense it, a flat, perfect land for my future base. It was getting closer with every step I took. I stumbled into a savanna biome and found some pigs, so I politely borrowed their meat purely for survival, of course, totally not murder. In the distance, I spotted it, a savanna village rising from the dry earth like a mirage. I saw the iron golem, thought about it, but nah, you're lucky today, big guy. As I wandered through the savanna under the cover of the night, the stars above cold and distant, I stumbled upon a group of sheep, quite peaceful, unaware of what fate awaited them. And just like I did with the pigs, I borrowed their meat, not out of just survival in the dark. It's eat or be eaten. Sorry sheep, I had to be done. It had to be done, bro. Sorry.
Why is it so fucking loud?
Yung,
Kakit sa cell ko pero yata yung pupunta po eh. Pag-story. It's still baggy.
I traveled and traveled, biome after biome, each one stranger than the last. From scorching desert to eerie forest, I pushed forward, tired, hungry, but determined. I wasn't just exploring, I was chasing something, a place to call home.
get some water bucket. Oh no.
The plan to get rich in Mindsteel, simple build a sugarcane farm, but not just any farm. I'm tearing down this basic one to create something massive. They say big builds means big profit and I'm going to in. Here's a quick glimpse, but I'm keeping the rest hidden. Stay tuned. And then I saw it, the perfect spot for a base, flat, quite hidden from chaos. All it needed was a little cleanup. I started clearing the land, planning out my sugarcane farm, because here on this server, money talks. With the economy plug in, sugarcane means profit, and profit means power. Time to grind. Now it was time. After traveling across countless biomes, barely surviving on borrowed meat and finding a perfect location, I was finally ready to build my sugarcane farm. But I didn't just place block randomly. No, this farm had a plan. I spent a long time designing it, carefully thinking through every row, every water source, every block, and at last I laid down the foundation, the blueprint of what will soon become my empire. Sugarcane, it's not just a crop, it's a business. Now I'm laying out the base of my sugarcane farm. This is series 1 of Mindsteel server. Comment below if you want series 2. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Stay humble, Rowan Progre out.